Hi, my name is Joe Davis. I'm with Dent Squad USA here in Frisco, Texas. I'd like to explain to you the claims process that's involved regarding your hail damage on your automobile. A lot of people don't know what to do when they first get struck with hail. A lot of people just moving into Texas have never experienced hail damage before. Well, let me simplify the process for you and explain the key points on what you need to do if your car sustained hail damage in the recent storms. First thing you want to do is contact the 800 number that's on the back of your insurance card. That'll get you in direct contact with the claims representative that specializes in hail damage. At that point, they're going to schedule an appointment either for an adjuster to come out to your home or your office to inspect your car. What they're going to do is walk around the vehicle and give you a preliminary estimate. They're going to count the dents, note the size of the dents, and at the end of that, that's when they take out your deductible, and then they leave you with your paperwork that you will receive from the adjuster there on site, or they may email it to you a few days later. Once you get your paperwork from the insurance company, like I said, that's a preliminary estimate. That's not a grand total of the damage that you have on your vehicle. What you want to do is find a authorized shop to perform the service in removing the dents on your car, be it a body shop or a paintless dent repair facility like ours. You call, set up an appointment, bring your paperwork in, and typically a shop will have your car repaired within 7 to 10 business days. After you've called the 800 number on the back of your insurance card, you'll be directed to an adjuster who will come out to your home or work and inspect the damages to your car. Another way they may do it is to send you to what's called a catastrophe team. It's where they have adjusters come in from all over the United States and deal with a heavily hit area, or just because the local adjusters can't keep up. In that instance, they'll send you to what we call a tent, is where the major insurance companies set up, and they'll funnel thousands of cars through there daily. From there, once you have, whether they come to your home or office, or whether you're scheduled to go to a catastrophe team, they will give you paperwork, and it's a preliminary estimate based on the damages they see while they evaluate your car. Next step, after you've made the claim and had your first adjustment, is to find a shop that you want to repair your vehicle. Typical turnaround, what you can expect, as long as your car didn't have to go to the body shop, 7 to 10 business days is really all anybody needs to fix your car. If a car can be done completely paintless dent repair, the actual work time on the car is usually 1 to 2, maybe 3 days. The other days that are involved there, that 7 to 10 business days, includes what's referred to as a supplement. As mentioned earlier, the preliminary estimate pretty much gets you in the system, hits the high points of the car. They don't exactly get to the fine point of what the dollar amount's going to be. They leave that up to the shop. The shop does a very thorough investigation of the car, look it over and count every little dent that's on the car, every molding that may be dented, glass may be broken, things like that they didn't see in the preliminary estimate. Once it gets to the shop will perform these, and as stated earlier, 7 to 10 business days is typical turnaround from that point. And then during those 7 to 10 days, your adjuster maybe come out to do a supplement on the car. At that time, that'll be the final supplement, and once payment has been issued, usually on the spot. Sometimes they want to mail it to the body shop, but once payment's been received and your car is released, but there again, 7 to 10 business days, and then your car is hail free.